Welcome back, guys, to Jammiwood Entertainment. We're here with a brand new movie, Side Chick Invasion, right? Remember, guys, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please feel free to go ahead and subscribe. Subscription is free. Like and share out the video, them, right? Alright, I'm out.
Yes, just go in at the place and check how much you full under the water.
Right.
Yeah, man. If there's no little one, they make me know. So we don't know back up the catch some water, you know. I'm telling you, I back I pipe water, you know.
What time is it? What time is it? Hello. I think when I see you and your woman.
Yeah, man, I'm a woman there, I will have Unveiling, man. My woman, yeah, she pick up some water for me.
What?
You look good, though. I have a phone, Palm, I don't want to see if I have a phone, I just put it down low. Yeah, man, I have it. Yeah, man. A she, man, a she. She may start about. So mark her face and when you see me I walk, you know, say, that's how you go.
Okay then.
She'll come back out of me.
Oh my God.
How going?
I'm not having water, what we want. Wanna we always buy? They're not having.
Alright, she ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, me just wait for you, baby. Where you there? You know, I don't like come down the lane because I don't watch people business too much. You like beat out in the public, yeah, so. Because somebody informed to my woman, you know. So, me somebody there, you know. Then I tell them who directly, but them I say me somebody there. You just wait for you, man. Alright, hurry up and come. I have to go up on the road, alright? If you want to buy something in town, hurry up and come drop it down there and buy it. Alright? Come on. You're doing okay, I'm doing fine. You're doing it, me doing time, you're doing mean.
Baby.
Wagwan, alright?
Yeah.
We take so long before forward.
I told me they do sitting.
Alright, where you say I do now? You say one go. You tell me say you're hungry. And you know say I no cook. You don't want the food from Payado where you want it. You don't want it.
So where just say? I don't want the food where your woman cook up there. So what
I couldn't tell him some sister me can go give. I'm a cousin that share a plate of it.
In a matter, I'm not just girl where there. I'm like a sick in your head.
Where say one now?
I'm gonna take one burger stills, you know. One number one. Double whopper. I want extra large fries. I want extra one large.
I don't know about all the extra them, but come in the car. I'm not sure about all the extra them.
Yeah. I see one suit what I like.
You get more money than woman in the yard, you know? You get more money than woman in the yard, you know?
That's how you're supposed to go.
Man. Yeah, if you take time.
Yeah, like you don't love you something, that's how you're supposed to go.
Yeah, if you do me look better, man.
How you want?
When woman in the yard just get the food and cookie. Every time. You just want this, you want that. You don't want, we don't want pound of chicken.
I live the lifestyle.
Alright.
I'm living the moment.
Well, you make me happy. And make your something smile. So,
Way.
you go walk. Go, you know what, this isn't the sun burning out too much. Because you're browning. Boy, a roadblock and now?
Yeah, be. Watch them. The money them are looking.
Oh, man. Well, I can't blame them still, you know. We live in one country where...
How they job them at the be?
No, but everybody wants money now. And if they give me the work in the force, the same thing I do. So we can't say a word. Well, say me have a side chick like a yo, me bumba. Who no sleep? But I dep on the patrol for a man in light.
Woman expensive, you know, any woman when I want no money. I don't know what to say about them. Because every woman want money. Or
Yeah, man.
I'm love money.
But I feel that. But I feel that on the thing for the break. On the day break, me I tell some of that dep on it. Me dep on the patrol, you know. And I ensure say me nah do nothing more than stop car, you know. But one thing, me nah lock up nobody, you know. Me nah charge nobody no big money. If me see me can't, if you take it go for the 5, me say just give me a 2 and go on, man. Me not try to check your papers. Yo, give me a 2 and go on. Give me a, by the time you're done, we could have buy one little car and not touch my pay. Oh,
yeah, for real.
Because me nah hold long nobody. Yeah, go through, oh, you forgot the license, give me a 2 and go on. Yeah, man. Because you want money.
So you would do it?
Some would do it. Because at the end of the day, you have to survive. So you go and where you go.
Let me tell you how I do it now. See, I see expensive car them a pass.
Yeah.
I have 3 friends them did there with them on the patrol.
Yeah, seize and take you away.
No, me nah say me don't seize and take you away, you know. But you know, so I go chop one food way. For sure for me and the 3 dog them.
Oh.
You get what me I say?
Oh.
So they have sitting in there now when I supposed to in there. You more 100,000 I split it for me and me. Yeah, my 3 friends them.
I go force in, I have a link, man, what I get in? I go get in I force. You might go in the for the reason there and change your mind. And one thing though, you know, you can't really ramp with everybody, so, because some people work science. And you get money and then 2 and one truck. Anyway. Oh shit, I drive through, you want to go through? Or you want to go in? You want to go to drive through?
It don't really matter.
Why? Look for my island, man. Not a space for me, not a space for you. China take it over. I want new China place, you know?
Me know.
You know, say this a black man here. Work hard, nice a country and can't buy nothing. So what I do now, that's why I just spend money. And look at things I spend upon you. I'm a woman in my yard and take a little bit of them because...
Listen to me, stop talking about your woman. Every minute me have talk, you have to talk about woman,
because
woman,
I 2 hours in my life, I 2 hours alone in my life.
It don't matter if I 2 hours with see phone a ringer. Hold on. Hello?
Yeah, more on the number.
Grape.
Grape.
You want it large?
No, I don't want to drink large. I want to look a slim girl. She don't want
Order is complete.
Yeah, it come. What, they're good?
Yeah, order complete.
Alright.
1150, second window.
Alright.
Alright. I think number. I said here. I think they want $1,000 burger. Then gonna live on
the jaw the channel locks the front head when I said good here.
No, I never know so you go.
No, me jaw the part when I said good.
When you go to Burger King, you get the
think Burger cheap?
No Burger King, I talk KFC. Not cheaper.
I true my mind change, you know, from the double whopper, you know. I true my mind change from the double whopper. So now come balata.
No man, no. When I tell you set me one style, you set the style. So I'm not really okay. Rush expensive. Thing me just said. I thought it was cheap. I think you went cheaper though, you know. We not rush it, man. Not rush it.
And you know their style bad when I get them.
So my time is there in my bed, you know. And me a laugh, you know, half moment, so I can't laugh. I remember some things where you do, you know. And I can't tell her that, you know. You understand? It's a good thing she can't read my mind. Because she should have killed me long time. But anyway, the journey. It's a pity that I don't own a mansion. I could have make you come there and stay. You know what I mean? I can have you closer. Because that's what it's supposed to be, though, you know?
Time.
Yeah, man.
Everything's too
At the end time the system start fight, black people will go good.
True.
And we go can smile. But and for now we can't even smile, but we have to do things to make ourselves happy in the meantime and not really wait for time, you know? Yes, I say I could have seen the one way. You people them what name? Seen the husband. Lisa and her husband supposed to own it. The franchise at the Burger King and the property.
Thanks.
The other people don't have property. Call them favor, you know. Burn it down. Everything good? Burn it down. Hey, daughter favor. Turn the favor, you know. Hey, mommy.
We no favor. Where you look at him?
I think your mother.
Who am I? Who is that?
My friend, I'm going to Stacy.
Our man that you know? Our man there right there, you know?
No, see lady over the cashier.
Oh.
The cashier is in her ears. I see that talk.
Well, people here, wow.
That people. I'm gonna make it.
Breeze nice.
Yeah, there's nothing like nature, you know. And we have to enjoy it now because they go come before we can't even walk around here, so everything sell out. And then go say, black man get the hell out. How you go do? You have to just come out. I bet him up in a local shop run so they can lock me down. I tell you. If me up in a local shop run so right now, then can lock me down. Because I'll come back and work when I say, you know. Right, on the back banking and so. That's the bar. I'll come back on the riverside there. A long time I don't come on and say, you know. The last time I see you when they kill him and them run so, no? And then feel good to kill black people. Black people love kill black people, you know. Then get a joy in it.
That's true, man.
Well, a long time, when I'm brave and I walk up and down with you out in the public, you know. A woman could ever see me, you know. But I have to jump off in the water for sure.
She can't see me.
She can't swim, you know, so I jump off in the low me out.
Because she can't swim. Me, I can't swim. You tell her, man.
The bird, they must say them avoid way. We can't see night, you know. The pollution is too much. It's evident. When I was small, we couldn't sit down in the bottom of my water. But anyway, what we can do, we can do. So carnival there. You can see every little thing we want to. Yo, bless, you know. We're blessed. That's true. We are going through a stress.
Boy, I know I can't get fat.
Don't worry yourself. We're fat already. Can't get slim. Yeah, man. So where are you going now?
But we take a look at breeze out. You can. I'm going to your yard. Come on.
No, I'm going to my yard. You can't go. So you know. She go to a country one at a time. You know, when she go to a country, you can forward through. Anybody come to them, tell them, say, boy, you know? Yeah, my cousin. Right? So she go up. Yeah, man, she go up next week.
Alright, come on. How are this?
Look at the rain go far. Come, we cut off fight car. So I'm close up on the line if you check up, you know. And the woman there asleep.
Let me tell you something. I'm not busy boy at home. Let me tell you something. Right now, I'm tired of this chicken.
I know I promise you I'm going to be me and chick one at a time. Them. But at time, You never can tell her go and never too late for a shower rain like
Just every time beside chicken, you go to buy one time with me and chicken.
Yeah, you soon up in the front. I told she come before you. If you may say before, I don't want nobody else. I just say alone that day. But you got unfair for me like go she and pick up and put you inside. You know, you go people go curse me. You know what I mean? So, but know yourself, man. You go work.
Take time, me, I'm going to patrol them, you see? Jesus.
Yeah, me say, come off my bike.
Sure.
Come off my bike, me say.
Why? Where we are going?
Me say, come off my bike.
Where are you going so far?
You done, come off my bike.
What done, the bike? Or the gas?
What you mean? Me and you done, that me I talk about.
Oui?
You look like my pocket fracture, you mean gas done. You know, see gas in my tank.
And you say it done, me think of the gas done.
Are we done?
Let me look here.
Hello, move from right, so.
Oui?
Okay, so you going like say you can style me, you know. So you see how me carry out on the road and me tell us so we go on the road, go enjoy ourselves. I trip me chicken, I carry come let you off of one place. The relationship
So how
done.
you reach home?
I don't care.
Come back with your take
Eh?
you.
You feel
Bring
like
me
you
back.
can deal with me certain way? What can go so?
Bring me back.
Bring you back, go away.
Wait, take me up.
Yo, listen to me, I say, you better find a ride there.
Alright.
Hello, come off my bike. Don't, me never put my hand on you. Don't make me do it. Me say this between me and you, done.
Argue with them, you take and bust up your head.
What's up over head?
So wicked,
Yo.
man.
Yo, me tell you, don't run put me here.
Why my belly puff?
I say, where you want me drop you now? You go out down the yard?
Yeah.
Hello, baby.
Hello.
Hello, my one and only baby.
Hi, sweetie. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, you know. I know I'm depend on the drive and I think about you. Yeah.
Call me, call me, still can't say which way it is. So it's up on the road, I don't know.
But then down to the place of party, always buy wrap. The wrap.
Oh, okay, yeah, remember.
Yeah, down to some there.
Okay. Well, the day here, you know, Mr. something.
I'm so come back, man. But I know say on your day after today, say they home, you know have to move up and down. I'm so forward.
I see. Hurry up.
Alright. A man work is never done. I don't feel no way, okay? You know, say I'm a man, so you never feel no way.
You come and go talk about
You
one
can't.
and only. No, shut up. Me a talk. You come and go talk about one and only. Who are you one and only?
You?
So why you there on the, you could have just say hello?
No.
What? Me know say me there on the road.
What you do a while ago? Me say hello. I say my one and only.
When
Are you me a find pan in my mind? I say yeah, you are my one and only. Yeah.
You did even say give me some of your chum.
Next time.
That mean girl, I wonder if me have a problem.
What I mean?
Look how long you there, man. How
And-
much man me do it after that and them can't stay?
Boy, you have to go evaluate yourself and try to figure out that. I know, maybe something wrong with them, so. Probably for true. Or maybe your attitude. Sometimes I don't really, you know, if you do nothing with sex sometimes, you know, make man know and say. Sometimes your attitude, your personality and then look how weird them. Maybe, I don't know, you need to check yourself. I don't know, so what problem now?
No, that me I talk about. It just come to me a while ago, me just say me.
It's not like a man problem, girl. Ah, wow.
No, me just say every man me get them just can't stay. Me wanna know why the problem. What you think
So
is the
you-
problem?
You are the problem, but me just don't know. Then if you have 5 men, just saying, you got 2 5 men and all of them left, and then you left, none of them and them are left. Now for you be a problem. No, think about it.
Me can't think now. So one at a time.
Mama, maybe you not give man no comfort. You know the little way.
I think me and them mama.
You see same thing?
And then mama give them comfort. Them should suck enough breath and then they don't get wipe of comfort.
Mama, if you have one.
Then I say we attack her with that.
Baby!
You just have to smile.
Babe!
Go on. Where you lock up your house, man? Huh? What's up? Oh.
What?
Are you and she there? One there though. One there with.
No, we just there reason.
Do not mix me up. Me no want no threesome.
Don't you ask the man in the women?
Tell about your friend, you know.
Somebody tell her nothing about threesome?
No, she told one there. Somebody tell me I watch her this morning.
So why we can call one of my man who want to cheat man? Why can you with it to rasta head? Me can't call on my head, yeah, come. You take the body and to me there on the place.
Every
Where
time
you take me far?
you see, babe, you see, if I'm buy the car, your friend will stop eyes me. I be look your friend, I look for me, you know. But your friend.
Girl, don't look for the car.
Yeah, she look for me.
The rasta and your molly are like.
What's
like
else?
one to fit together.
When he see me, see me.
No, see do it. See, I don't know where you're from.
Me not even know me turn all idiot.
Me more
Why would she say meow? Why she say meow? Why would she say meow?
Where you come from? I was party where? One girl be chuck?
Meow.
Watch out. A madman.
So what going, babe? Where you there, though? Take your time, go on.
The piano man, I jealous, she jealous to her man, them they far.
I tell you, no, so when I virgin and I reason with me and I tell me, say, you couldn't stand too long with a friend. Something about her, you know, right?
Like also.
Like, she have some little things in her house, like I'll roll down, I'll wood, and some little candle she have bun. So the nigga find her and I bed bottom. And he said, why you couldn't stay? Because I'll Tanya.
Are you sure? Me don't know if my friend has no.
You see one thing, you cannot wait for nobody. You're surprised you go and yard go sit here and me one of the two. Because I wonder how you not up in a life. Every try, every try, you know, walk. You see, we can go to church one night time and the first thing passes. Somebody, hey, now where's them? Hold down. So, careful. You see, show me your friends and I show you your weakness.
Anyways, enough of she. Me say bad, you know.
So what you want there now, like how you see me? You want to give me?
You can't just...
I can't do more than what I can do. That's all one thing me now, but that's a lot of fine now. I just only can be me now. You know what I mean? So if it's certain things to me, it triggers certain things in my body. So it go react. So if action bring a reaction. If you talk about normal stuff, it's normal. But if you talk about you'll probably the Jimmy eyes and thing, you will get it. You understand? I'm not saying now go get it. But anyway, me can't me not feel like more you know in the day because there are a lot of things to do.
So you don't get no money for you, but you money now?
B, the money we can't go out on the road, I me care back. The money when there, we can never take money out when we want. Where can
I know no auntie.
Alright. Where you go? You go somewhere?
I go on the road and come back.
So,
me sitting down here.
where you go on the road go do? Me drive, you walk. Say what me say, a man you go link? A man you have, or you go up on the road. You know say B, can be on the road now? But yeah, tell me say you go on the road, or you go on the road.
And every time me go somewhere.
Listen me. As long as me can put a padlock on that thing where you walk up and down with. Anyway you go for now, me I carry you go and carry you back. If you there go walk, it'll be a different story. Let me know say.
B, just listen to me and say no.
What you go do? Tell me.
Me I go in night town and come
Go
back.
do wine night town.
Me see something down there when
You
me
have
want
a
buy.
business in night town.
Me go buy something.
Where you go buy night town? Come here go buy it. Come, no ramp with me. Mama, kick it on night on. You want to take a big stone and lick it on night? Alright, go on night on.
You watch your pumps now?
Yeah.
You turn watch your pumps?
Me have to watch it. Me have to watch it. Me a wash it, so why can I watch it? Me a mash it, so why can I watch it?
Why can I watch it?
Me a dash it, why can I wash it?
Sometimes I wonder if you're sick in the head.
You drive me crazy, man. So style you do, you know. I Bellevue, you want to send me, you know. Why you whine every time you stop it? It affect me. Where see?
Oh, so you want me just lay down?
Lay down, yeah, just lay down, yeah. What you say you do now?
So you're coming for sure?
Me not run joke. You want something in the town, you get something in the town.
Alright, come on.
You get more than something to come.
Come on.
You must think it's a joke business. Me not make nobody ning go up this year. And then so what going to be?
There, man, babes.
You look worried, man. What go on?
No, me alright.
As long as you're alright, you know. So, my pay some money a coming weekend. So when you get that, you can use the balance out your things them. Don't worry about the rent. More get money different to pay the rent and thing. Alright? So there I come going and now for my woman just dip on my case and just want to see me. So you have to go in early today. Yeah? But me I will link though. We have more time to spend it about. So you go. Alright? Wish me could have seen more often. But you know how you go. We have play the game and the game play how you play. Alright? So you good do differently?
Yeah, me alright. You?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Anyways, babes. I have one plan for you.
For me?
Yeah, I have a plan.
What you plan? What kind of plan?
Don't worry yourself. When I see it, I will know.
Why, I hate surprises about...
Don't worry yourself, man. I don't know if it harm you. You get what I say? It's just a plan. But don't worry yourself.
But not worry, because for me, you give me it have to be something good. Alright, so I'm not worry. But we go see that the plan that we have.
Soon, man. Don't worry yourself. Soon.
Well, I have wait, you know. I have wait. I'll drop it back at your gate.
Yeah.
Yo, brother, right now, I'm out of patience. You tell me, say, I don't know how long we are doing, and I ask him how long I wait. I'll know.
Just calm down yourself now. I call him man already and he tell me, say, man, go in a shop, go and buy something. Have a little patience now, brother.
A long time I did say to you, and right now, I'm out of patience.
Right now. I couldn't if you cut you, know. Oh, watch out. See you gonna come.
I'm not.
Yeah.
She that there.
Yeah.
Come on.
Baby,
Classes,
listen,
me say me no want in my yard. Listen what?
Come make you no want me.
Me no want to you, brother. Go on, for me. Go on, no man. Me tell you me no want in my place. A little crosses,
nobody no care about me. Nobody no love me. You see, what me do for deserve this? Nobody no love me. Why? Nobody no care about me. Why?
Hello. No, so me a fast in your business or nothing, but me a pass and me kinda sight to pray and something like what really a go on? What wrong with you?
I'm a man. He show me from the house and say, if you go on with me and go, I don't do nothing at all. I try to find a man in my deal with me, so.
Oh, so you and him live and him a throw you out of the house just like that?
Yeah, I don't do nothing at all. I don't have nowhere to go.
So what your name?
Your name Pinky.
Pinky. So you don't have no family down here?
No, I don't have nobody at all.
Nobody at all? So where you come from?
I come from North.
North. Up line.
Yeah, but the people, they don't like me none at all. I don't do them nothing.
Alright, so me go see how best me can help you. A shop me I come from, me go buy 2 ramen, cause me hungry me need for money. So my name is Tia. And you say your name Pinky, right?
Nice to meet you, Tia.
Alright, that's a woman to woman. me really, like, genuinely me feel a way passing by and see man a throw you out a house. And me can't live up on the road like this. So, me live with my man still, but me thinking we understand. So, me I'll help you out. You understand?
Thank you so much.
Come on.
I really appreciate it.
Come. Alright, stop your crying. Alright, so come. So here's some lever. Come in. Can I take up your support?
Thanks.
So you can sit on the bed. Oh God. So this is my little crib. You understand? As I tell you before, I and my boyfriend live together. And I one bed. So I don't know how that will go. The bed big enough. I don't know if you will sleep in a chair there. So
we take a chair. We take a chair.
Okay. So anyways, you eat from morning cause
Yeah man, me eat from morning.
You sure?
Yeah, me good man.
I look at my pop soup, my dog will offer you if I have one.
No, me not eat ramen. But me good.
You know you're thirsty or nothing?
No, me good man.
Alright, make yourself at home. See remote here, TV, they just say if you want to watch TV. The kitchen there around there and the bathroom. Here?
Yeah. As me say, me don't know how me go pay you back, but thank you so much for bring me in a so way you and your man live. Cause enough people will do that. But thank you so much. Me really appreciate it.
I don't really know what go up in my head. I not even talk to my man about it yet. I don't know how I'm going to feel or what I'm going to say, but we are good people and you know, everybody need a help in hand at times. Cause me could have in a situation. So me have to, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to look boy ramen or something. So just make yourself at home. Alright?
Alright, yeah.
B. Them.
Yeah, B.
No, this in them is a ham and a leg. So I take so long to come back, right? I have to go check some people. But they owe me some money. Watch out. Guess how much to them?
How much?
Just guess now.
1, 2, 5, 2 grand.
$5,000.
You're mad. That what did this for?
$5,000. Me say me go buy some ripe banana for you. The page him attempt say $200 finger for some local shrimps banana. Me say you're mad. My grandfather used to export banana at Maroon Town. You're mad. Me not buying it.
Them I get from bad to worse, man.
Anyway, I go buy the salon and do some farming pan now. Go work out. $5,000 gone down the drain. But anyway, we want it so we buy it. Yeah, man.
Anyway.
Oh, ramen I look bad.
Yeah,
you love ramen though.
I ain't from man, I'm stomach no feel so.
I be ramen that you every while that you ramen. So don't buy me cook like something special.
Alright, here what? But I not even know how you gonna take this. Like, I don't know.
I'm gonna take what? Take this. I not take this for nobody. What this me?
Calm down, no, calm down.
No, this I'm gonna take this. How would this me?
This.
This? Give me it. Right pan the blood clean stove. Give me it now. That's what we're doing here today. I test me.
You also feel like something wrong with you? Mentally something wrong with you? Listen to what me I say. Alright. Guess what? This morning me I go shop. Go buy the ramen. They mind me business I walk. You know? I want a young girl me see with one boy. Right? So they get down the road.
What about the things of them? What them do?
No man.
Say man Simotino, what them do?
One commotion like the boy say, come on, this that girl a ball living in water, you know. One nice young girl.
Yeah.
So she not know if you go and I carry her home.
You what?
She in her room.
Our room. You put young girl in our room.
So I can't get so excited.
No, you prank me. No, that's a one joke too much bad. Look how tough me get to eat. You're too much. Look how some get to eat, man. Yeah, like you see you love pranking. You see since you watching YouTube and the TikTok of them, you're messing the brain. You messing the brain. Pranking, man.
And I know prank a girl in there. She said she. What's her name? I don't remember.
Idiot. She, you walk on road, man run her, and you can't come put here, so if she asleep. No, I know she asleep already, no. But where is she sleeping? Tonight when I want to sleep, but she asleep.
She can't sleep in her city.
You know her?
Alright, listen now, she can't sleep, bro.
Do you know her?
I don't know her for now. I just see her. I'm sorry for her because she not know if you're going as a woman to woman. You understand what I say?
Yeah, she. Alright, anyway. You see true, I'm a woman. Anything you say, we work with it.
She wake up.
Hi.
I'm afraid of.
So you have
No, I'm afraid of people. I'm afraid of people.
What make you be so like strange? Just look suspicious or something. You know her?
No.
I don't know her.
No, first I see her. Oh, me say me know her. My first I see her. No, but it's strange. I first in my life ever do this here. Alright, so what if you go to work and you come back home and see me have a girl in here and say me carry one girl you come stay because I'm sorry for them. You know think you look you know what
then tell me you don't know some my brain chip.
Alright, so anyway, listen you see one thing in life, when you do a good deed, you do your good deeds. If I say that you do, me support you. Anything you do, me support you know what you do. Anyway, me have to go back at work. On the road, that's one of the things I deal with. So when I come back,
I'm interested to know her name, like introduction.
what is your name? Where you from? Where you come from? Where your name? Pinky. Where you come from?
Come from North.
Alright, so me know you come from North in name Pinky.
What's your name?
Fire.
Oh, nice to meet you, Fire.
Alright, nice here. Alright, so once we're in this house, you stay one side because my woman is very jealous. You see, know my name now, no use it. You know, but I call my name again first at time. But there, if you see me on the left, she take you right. Wrong or right?
Right.
And if you see me on the, if you see me up, you take me down. Right?
Don't sound so right, but anyways, me I look for me right.
But why is so happy though? You can't woman come here and not happy and why you so happy though?
Me not think about you as nothing what you mean.
Oh no, you happy extra like if you just want to be save the world. Are your name, well lady name, we dedicate them. My name Dana. I hope you put this on YouTube and make money and fight, you know. They are taking people. Soon you can full up a whole place and be a young girl. Every girl will get me.
Me look boy around me, me come.
Hardly, now. So this is the great plan you say you have? Mama, this is a word that hand on my nose. This is a hand on my woman. You want to call it hand
on the woman? Who want to go on the woman? Who want to go on the woman?
No,
I don't even know if your woman built from man.
No, alright.
Know yourself.
No. So, you know say brave? You know say you can join the army if you go join no? Because this is like mission impossible, you know. What are you doing? How you getting us to do?
That is the plan. Never tell us my plan.
You invade.
Yeah.
Woman tranquility. Home, our sanity, and you're in our bed asleep.
You're lucky that you get.
Well, anyway, if you can't walk, you walk. That means when she just asleep, you can't walk. Anyway, I don't want you to suspicious of me. I do not, you know. But anyway,
give me one money, come me one guy shop.
Where you go things to get money from? The things you get to out of one place your ID.
I don't have to explain myself to no girl.
Mama.
I don't have to explain myself to no girl. I can't go out the road.
See your attitude that's like you know. So you make yourself just tune up on the attitude if you want to last long here. You and I no need to cuss or not anything to say. You say yes. Mama, Just say yes. Anything might help you. And just say help me do things in my house, like, cause she kinda lazy now.
Alright, go away, go. Come here, take girl, man. Me no man, no. Go away, go.
Oh, God. No, this is...
Sort me out when a woman asleep tonight.
Alright, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Alright, now come up on the road, here, babe. Hello. I come up on the road. So, you cook some taco, right?
Yeah, me I cook.
Alright, so if I know you call me, if you don't have enough meat or enough so in you call me, you can buy one because we never plan for no extra people. No. Just tell a friend to not come over because she will buy extra things. You know, see your friend them out them. So we buy extra things certain times. That's why you see whenever we cook food there. Because we gauge her in because we know that she can yam.
Hour.
No, so I say no.
So what you try if you say true, this a girl of the year, my friend if you come over.
No, I not say like that. I say, you not tell her say you cook. You no cook and you call her over and don't eat. Because I can't supply so much people mouth, right? A wickedness that man. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. She come over but not come over with her belly.
Girl!
Who is that?
Are you there with that?
Yeah. Double that here. Mister, who is that? Sorry, day.
No, sir!
Because you come here, sir.
The person will leave you move.
Yeah.
How what excitement around here so far?
No, she come and she not the door. Me say, who is that? She go back out, she coming back. She go back out, she coming back. Me just say, who is that?
Maybe because she not know you or something.
So you leave here?
But she can't just say, I'm here, tia friend, I'm that. You know?
You need me a tia friend, tia mother, tia man. How that?
Girl,
boy.
Argument, don't come and feel looking at you.
We not a family put on my shot for me coming on an umbrella. Anyways, how? Sure you come like you're dumb.
Anyways, this is Pinky. Pinky, this is Nisha. Pinky.
Me never just introduce me to her. Me ask you who.
You ask me who, so me tell you Pinky. I want me.
So she ask me who that she live in here?
Listen what me say now. You just keep on. You live here and you just have.
I me live. Come sleep at some time. You can't tell me live. Me live anywhere.
Well, the sleeping arrangement they have to go stop her now because Pinky will be staying here for a while. Me don't know how long. Listen what me you can't be nice.
Me a bit nice. Girl, you not live nowhere?
No, homeless.
Jesus. But no woman's in here. Yeah,
Jesus.
Homeless. Yes, sir.
Let me tell you a story now.
Hurry up.
It's alright. You know what? Come on, Tessa. Go on.
Wait, me read what she have on her foot because she want me to shave with my tattoo. Come, girl, we not
weapon that. Look at her. No weapon that is formed against me shall not prosper. Come on, come here, prosper against me.
I did bone them funny, I go prosper.
Come on, come here, where you prosper.
But girl, we not fast still, you know, you have to go up and talk. How?
Come on, Nessa.
Oh, in a shelter?
Listen now. I see her on the road this morning. Listen now. Our man a run her out and she a ball and I say she not know where to go.
So she put a panty on the line?
Nisha, go on home.
I tell me this story. Where is her man though?
Our man put her out so she not have nowhere to live. So me have to put her up and me feel sorry for her. So me put her up until better come for her.
But you want better yourself, so you had better somebody. Anyways, you know for that. A woman.
Me don't know her man, me don't know the girl. Me don't know nobody for her. She said she come from a north, up the line. Where you come to me about? Where you come to me about?
So me can't come here again?
Yeah, but normally at something always a problem. Come on, come in. Come in, rain and drizzle. Be nice.
Hi. What is your name?
My name is Pinky.
Oh, you look pink for sure.
How you name?
I might slap sense in the head.
So which was it is?
Me I go to go buy something.
I wish she get money at the homeless.
No, never manage, you know. No. But listen.
Get up. Yeah. So when she get money and she don't even know.
No.
You get money?
No.
She come with money?
No. Me never there search a girl.
Me a go, your mother call you. Me a tell your mother say put up woman in your house. And you have money, you live with money, you put up that look at the gas man trim. Be careful.
Alright.
Oh, so you never ask me what I'm to be the big fat man, you know, say. Me come here contest every minute man, me have them the life. You know, say the man. Put me back to my car, me go somewhere. Take me off of, me have to go on the magazine hear me. Take me off of the bike, go on a party without what you make me off. Tell me if you come off of the bike.
How are you doing, man?
No.
Mama, you know when you start this rubber for me?
No, man.
You need to go a river, you need carbolic and rag, and just let it go when you're done beard.
Yes,
you need to spin your roll, just
shut up my mouth and listen to me, because you come like you have to chat too much. You want me to say no? You make sure you don't want no carbolic. What you say again? Carbolic and
rag.
Make sure you don't want no carbolic, no rag, no baking soda. Because me not even going to talk. Later I'm going to look here. You cook?
You eat?
Me not eat it because you don't cook. You cook?
Go on, you go. Go on, you go. The salt.
If I get new friends, they push me out. Make sure you don't come. Me have your problems. Them.
Salt like a Yosha beach.
Boy. Watch ya. Wifey. Is a girl? Me not lie. The wife roll a fit you.
You feel so?
Me not feel so. Me know so. Oh yeah, me let's go tea for the man.
No, sir. You know, say a little oats and milk may I make.
Oh, let me start read for you.
So what now?
There, man. So where you cook?
I'm not even sure me I cook it, you know. Maybe some swim around, I don't know. I don't make up my mind yet.
Oh, alright, see then. Me so come back here.
Where you go?
Me I go look sitting in our bag. And they put on sitting in our bag. Come up on the road and boy, I like come here and see them.
I come in there now when me done, so.
Alright, do it, man.
Yeah.
No want this up, you know.
You know, getting enough last night. Me know, because we are fair silent. Yeah. Sorry. What you going to do now?
You know what I'm going to do. What you are going to do?
Alright, you know. Go on the road. And me pick you up. I'll go somewhere. We got a Green Tea Hotel.
Alright. Friendly! Just put on the roll, smell good enough. Me meet one spook girl me there on the road a while ago, so. I go talk to him and team. Here?
Try be careful, you know.
Yeah, girl, see a girl young and fresh and nice. Be careful, man. Later, here?
Just make sure you say your choose good.
Yeah.
I sleep.
No, really, you know, so I something feeling like I'm told you, so.
What?
But you know all the time, you know.
Just relax.
I relax, I'm kind of tired. So, yeah, though.
Bye. Nothing. I cook more, but when I feel hungry, I just make some oats and let's go.
Alright, yeah, man, just go here for them.
What's she name? Pinky. So she gone on the road, she meet Mansa.
Oh. It's good we get her out of the place and go find man and go live with man. That's the truth. We not get to do it, you not get to make it loud noise them every time you put something over your mouth, you know, and nobody, you know, want in ear. You know what I mean? If your place, you know, you ball up loud, making you want to hear. Scream out if you want to hear. If you want to hear in ear, you call my name if you want to hear in ear. You don't know why every time now since I lately, you have everything silent.
Respect or respect. Wow. You understand what I say? Respect due.
So where you go cook now?
No, look in the fridge.
Alright, so you ever know? When my client did call me. So I need to go drop him off at one place and collect a piece of money there. Okay, you know, I'm not to go up on the road, but if you do one little thing, feel man, drop him off and pick him up back. That's what I tell you, but I know I'm out there.
Oh, that doesn't sound bad. That doesn't sound bad at all. So now you're going?
I'm just give myself like 2 minutes, because I'm tired, man. You know, but see, so many times you see the obligation stress me out so many times, but we have to do it because we need money, right? And we buy the car and see that you go need parts and so the money they have to just get it, you know? Yeah, man.
Anyways, I'll check the contract for you to see if it's alright.
No, that's the car, man. I'm going to move out and go deal with the car. You put on the pot that I by the time I come back, because when I go work, I like when I come back, I get something to eat, and when I go up and work and go work.
So how long you feel so you spend as?
I think I mash up 1 hour to 1 hour and a half. You know, nothing longer than that because anyhow that more than them time there. Me and them go far out. Because I don't like the pan road do too much and too long.
So you walk yourself or you walk to the back?
I walk to the front, mom. Go through. You can't even slap you again. You have to wait till your friend gone. You know see that?
Goodbye, Tia! This lock up your house. You know what's so molly. Tia!
Oi!
How many piece of door?
The door ain't locking now.
Nah, don't good with me. But if you want, you know, not talking with the car. Why do you push me on for a piece of something that look like you man look up water?
Come on, come in and you love it chatting, man. Sometimes I can't take you chatting sometime with you, you know. Come in.
You're so wanted, no. So I wait there.
Your damn clothes rub. What are you saying now? What else?
A new style. Love me, you know for me. I wait there.
Who name it?
The city where can come and wanna leave away.
The girl, Pinky? Her name is Pinky.
That's fear business right there.
She gone on the road, say she meet one man and I don't know. She gone on the road.
She meet one man?
Yeah.
Already?
What do you mean by already?
Shut up. Cause you don't want she come and hear it anyway. So you're sure another piece of man and put him out in Garling back?
That not nothing to do with me.
Where you man there? I'll make you stand him in there.
You know, say foot shot in just if you say some client call him or something, so he gone on the road.
Client? How long now in by the care I'm not get no client, so all of a sudden he get client as soon as she gone man.
What you trying to say?
I'm not trying to say nothing more they say. So how long she left here? Come on in out.
Him left like about 10 minutes after she left, or 15 minutes. I don't know, I didn't really that check the time. So I don't put this in the jar. You come like you not have nothing to do. You don't live no way. You don't have no dinner to cook, you don't have nothing to do.
You know, I cook dinner for my man left for me to cook for. And I can come and get food. But enough for me. I'm talking about you. As I say, so we pass she did it all along. For manage there?
You're investigator?
Answer my question and stop with me time. Get to the point. Yeah, last all the chat, then they come back with me one. I know it's a mini phone and they are different. Because you have iPhone and I have cheap something. Anyways.
What question?
Yeah, I forgot. What am I to say again?
If she there from morning? On and off. She there.
Where your man there from morning?
He did go on the road this morning and come back and in there.
Say two of them go this morning together?
Girl, come to me straight, man. Come to me straight. Come in and know what's wrong with you.
One time people talk to you just to make pay nice. But tell everything so when me come to you, just come to me straight. Have me and say, answer my question.
People can't go on the road. No free country we live in now.
Yeah, but what make she go on the road, the man go on the road. Who go first? Him or she?
It don't really matter.
Alright, bigger that Pepsi there. Who that drink it? You or she or it? Are you eat that drink it?
Drink
Go fit come give me thirsty. Me not about to because me no want to take your man. Give me it. Give me the juice.
You don't want to do it?
Me no want you to take me and take your man. Me no want the man go on. You know me not like him. But actually I'm a friend, me have to accept the fact. Yeah. You should not drink none?
No. You walk and beg and drink like
Are you me for drink from?
Come on. You just come inquisitive and ready for fast in people business. And your business is spoiled with your man, them when I want you.
Not for them business, them are lose. Anyways, you know. You have got the party later?
I'm not sure.
And this me away with my van, you know. Come on, look.
Mama, go on.
Every time you come here, I tell go on. Come look.
You don't look good. You're not too much color. You're Sesame Street? Eh?
At Christmas time, no move.
Go on.
You ain't no for dress.
Let me tell you.
Alright.
Oh, where I go?
Yeah, well, past space. We just got to do something in nature over golf course or so. What do you think?
No, I'm not wrong. Cause I dead feet and I'm like kite. No wrong.
Boy, a be a close call though. A couple times well in we nearly get catch, you know.
We nearly get catch.
Yeah, man, I show mama move slow though. A good thing, so she don't move so fast. She don't pick up, you know. Come on, we'll go by there. Alright, come, we'll go by yourself. Alright, vamos look spot up so. Yeah man, that was good.
Why you going with yourself doing now?
Great things can go on, man. In nature. Come on the front, come and reverse back. Come on this one. Come over the side. I don't want nothing there, you know. They must have a wonder we're probably there now. So you go in for me?
Yeah.
And then we come in afterwards. Yeah man, so. How long we can keep up this for?
Weeks, months, years.
Alright.
Why you ask me that question I do?
No, me just a wonder.
You want if you stop?
No,
Oh,
I never want to stop.
okay.
We just don't want to get catch. Nobody find out about it, you know? Best kept secret, you know?
Finders, losers, keepers, weepers. Unlucky.
Yeah, mommy. Me not do nothing to them, me just there.
Tell them what I say how they do.
Your son-in-law say how they do.
Yeah man, tell her say me nah go and go come for link her from when, but that's how it go.
She say you're a joker.
Me tell him how link her man.
He say I'm gonna link you. No, me there man, me not have nothing to do today. Yeah. Yeah man, me can't forward man. Alright. Yeah. Tell daddy so me soon come. Alright. Why? B. You can't turn on your clothes. Sitting there, some moment I tell myself to come we are chilling and me have to go on now, you know.
Alright, so we can't manage driving though, so you know say me not do that driving though so far. Just take
I'm
taxi.
just ask if I can carry me,
Me
you
know
know.
say that's where that come to, but me say me can't manage driving there. Plus me have 2 tours to pick up. Right? Cause since we start we have a new car now. Well, if a tourist are coming now and look a tour on the place, I'm half of the service there.
Sorry, Lord
You want
Jesus,
go,
I come here and consider my milk.
Come on, sinus time now. I got cough and that.
Mr. Sinus not trouble me.
Alright.
But anyways, me I'm gonna look for them something.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no money can't give me money.
Go in the jar and take the card from something there, credit union, and buy your mother something for it too. But not go over, not exceed $3,000. Buy one clock or something.
$3,000 Jamaican?
3,500. No, listen, enough money upon him, I tell you, enough money upon him.
So by the time me now take off money and if buy that the clock day,
Money
what me want take use me pay me fear?
No money upon him like that, man. That's not enough, so spend 3,500.
For the clock and take me fear differently.
You take a fare differently. Or lunch money or whatever.
Alright.
But when you come back.
Later, but I know me not reach back till we and night because we are chilling in me and go. And by the time I sit down and chat to them and sit in time run up by the time
Alright, hurry up, let me see you can come back early. Because I miss you when you're gone. Yeah man, so hurry up. Now I want to tour them tourists there. So maybe I said time you come back in, I come back in. You know what I mean? Because end of the day, when them come from foreign, they want to know the place. And I carry them go Blue Mountain and Forest Fire. So. Yeah man.
Alright then, me see you later.
Yeah man.
Yeah? You're alright differently though, like.
Yeah man, I'm a good man, I still touch the road man, I go buy breakfast on the road and things.
Alright.
So I don't see I forgot. What do you have to do? You know what me do, because I showed a while ago, she said I'm a joker. But it's antennas on me sending you know.
How you want Pinky there?
We don't know, look if she wants so.
Pinky, oi! I soon come back. Me I go a country.
I just done beer. One piece of sinus for me there.
They come like, me no normally travel with, like, with sinus, I normally travel, but me a sneeze from.
Instant, man, me a instant.
Alright, me soon come. So you go there all day?
No, so I will make me look up spooky.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, so just lock up. I don't know which one I'm going first. Just lock up your house and something. Babes, later, yeah?
Oh, later.
Alright.
Travel safe.
Yeah.
Safe travel.
Alright.
Yeah.
We have a place to surf and home. So later when she come, I must say, "There blow more and pick." Me not reach down for now. So by the time she come now, I just go up on the road and go and come up and come from. So what they all day today. I tell you, I have people, I have nobody for go now today. So I just me and you, I tour you. And bore you.
I'm bored me.
Bed and floor you.
No bed and floor me.
Yeah.
Hi.
Well, go on. She not there, you know. She gone. So if I see her come and check, she not there. And so she there show me on this something there. Money I call. So it depends this shirt.
I have to answer the call.
No, I tell her I want princess, so she's a look funny.
Oh.
In the details.
Oh, you didn't find what you look for?
No, I couldn't spell the word funny.
Yeah, me find me a look
No,
for.
you don't sound kind.
Me find me a look for, but they
tell
end up
me.
the phone.
Them out of here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your friend not there here.
So yeah, so your friend not there though?
What are you telling me?
No.
What the time she not there? She not there, me fit her, she not there.
No, I'm not that she a
She
con.
big enough, me that see her.
I'm be a contract.
Tia?
No, she got a contract for sure.
Tia?
Alright. You know me one was a
Wait
scripture
one,
dub.
say wait one.
Huh? You want to call the same thing to put your hand on it, see that?
No, me no want to say.
I want a threesome.
Yeah, make you look like a devil there, but you actually some want but
You sound guilty?
no.
You look a bit guilty though.
No, what me I say? You're coming at me yard.
Me no come here.
You see me
Come on, my friend yard.
you come at your friend yard and you see your friend man.
And the girl was
And our friend.
lie down.
We know that jealous you know. Because your friend have a new friend now. I told my best friend I know.
Run the girl out of her house now, come here now. She come off about where you try to say now? Where you try to say now?
If you ever.
I'm a woman friend, so me I say mama.
Ever.
But me I say do.
Get him come here. Come here.
So come back. I'm also what kind of story you want to tell me now?
Me no want me kill.
How kind of puppet this?
Later you throw.
Me know so I'm jealous of our friendship, you know. I'm a woman. What you say now?
Don't eat me for talk. Don't eat me for talk.
To talk too loud, what you say now?
Don't. Which one in there? You take me the feet one?
Mama, what you say?
Don't mama me come here.
I ask you a question. If we did something to do with that
I never expect me to come.
listen, me know say you come here your big girl foot my tip. So I do something she action for my shirt. See you come.
So I want to put your shirt make sure they show you.
Because me never know the word. So she teach me how to spell
So
it.
what she tell you upon it?
It's money, and she say IS, and she say call, and I say ling. Money is called ling. I mean a ling, money I call ling.
Do you think I'm born belly big?
What me I say now?
A long time.
What the problem now? What the problem?
Wait one no. You know me I tell you though.
Say what?
So I come see you and that the people are something lie down together. I told me no we walk in my phone.
But hear me and say now.
Give me your money.
No.
Me thirsty.
Listen, if I get wait a second.
I'm going to buy a shop for drink.
Wait. One. Oh, wait.
You call Tia for me?
No, I'm not call Tia.
So come back out. Wait. Come here.
One. Wait.
Come on, so come in and see. Come on.
Where's your one?
The money for buy one juice.
Money. Do you know the money different at all?
No, that's the juice money.
No, I can't get. You know no money. No, I can't get no juice money.
When me I go tell my friends, I'm come see with our friend.
Alright. Tell
Don't worry
her.
yourself. No way, I'm my friend.
You can record it.
I don't business.
Alright, you tell her.
Push you can believe. Go on. Go to
Cause you not buy your juice.
I don't like.
Yeah, say me and the cream there. Alright.
All part.
Hey, I want to tell you quick informer girl.
No, it good now. You see, me record her. On the phone, she asked for money. So I go tell woman say she have try beg her money for me. And Jimmy said no, he said go tell say he see me and other things. So that is good. He killing himself.
I don't know what you think load up in a comment.
He good man.
I shot more shot her and boxing.
Don't worry about she man. She good. I just so bad mind people stay because he see me and I get along good and he can't get me. So that's why I see him try to do that. I relax the day and do what you have to do. You will order something from somewhere today because we not do no cooking.
Popeyes.
Yeah man, we get that. Yeah man, that alright. Finally. Watch how I'm going to mash her up now. She thinks she's smart, you know? So I come get the recording. Then I send it to her. Send it to her. Baby. Send it to my woman. Send it to my baby. Oh yeah, my baby still love it. I must send it to my next girl. I'm going to go for send it to my baby, but I am my original baby. Alright? You reach up a country already? Ask if after you're gone, your friend no come over here and come pest me saying want money for me to go buy drinks and he want money to go buy food. Cause man them a left him and he tell me one bag of story. And I tell him say no, I don't no money to give me cause I must say me have to my woman, every money I have for my woman. And she started some things and start do this and that and then she has said she go tell you say me and Pinky there and then sitting there. That's it, use my record I beg me the money. So when you come down, what? So you reach up the fast and what? You done everything already soon forward back down. I don't think it's a night to say I come back down. No, nothing wrong man, you can't come and if you're here that about. Come in if you come man. No, I'm just surprised you know say you reach up there already and you soon come back down. Alright. No, you know, so the people them cancel some number like a Blue Mountain. I want to look a tour me I them pan. So as I left out and now out of the yard and your friend come and attack me for money. Alright. Come on, you're not up enough for your yard, me don't need you. Yo. Calm down man. Alright. She has to soon come back down, she not stand along up there.
Reach fast though.
Reach fast up there. Alright. Come on, do what you have to do. Come on, do what you have to come back. Come go drop you off when I come back, I drop you off and go do what I have to do. So make it look like I'm going forward. You understand? So when we get to where we get and then go and drop you off back.
And they'll not come back yet. Oh boy. Then at what time so?
Tia!
Cha. Yo, come in.
Come on.
You come like I smell me. Me just come in the house, you know.
Somebody just reach too.
I that me notice.
So what going?
And me feel like say what going on today.
What you going to do for me to know that see time when they say y'all left? And them the time they look a bit after me left before your man. So me don't know what going today. How going?
Why? I don't know when they call me and tell me when I'm sitting, but I'm curious.
Man, they are my love.
So you're good different you could how about this? And if I be how would that? Don't say like you not live no way.
Shut up your mouth. If you know good for you, shut up your mouth. You ask about who, then nobody that can look for you?
No, me think I didn't man.
Eh?
Evening.
If your man can't come walking next door before you come, is that right? Sit down. Where did it today? Yeah. Where did it today?
I gotta look for my parents.
Any laugh?
Eh?
Then the last.
Then buy for the last.
Is that right?
And the girl there.
Sit down properly, come on, into a bed. Sit down. Sit down good. Oh. We're going to look for you today. He never there. But anyways, guess what I'm going to say?
Oh.
Your man.
So now you live?
Mm-hmm. But I'm alone.
Who else I can see?
That.
So she not live here? We are trying to
shut
say.
up, man. Every time I come to you about something, you they load up your mouth. Lie down, let me show you. Lie down.
Lie down.
Me not hurt you, I'm a friend for a long time. Just lie down. Go for the baby. Tap, go for me show you. I'm coming to see.
Go over here.
Mm-hmm. You know me, I come in, me not really can't leave the door lock. But me come to the door open. So me walk in. And I come here, come see them like this. And when I get, and wait.
Skirmish.
In here.
I'm not gonna lift up. How is this gonna come through?
You want to shop when I'm gonna go back?
You believe something that people like that?
Talk.
Don't think we're not going fire, man.
We're
not move and go. You take a ass at me.
Tell me when you're done.
Girl, we're making a lot of people business alone. Left off of my name.
I'm a friend business.
And I tell you, I find one little spuggy. As I left this a girl I want to come liar. Girl, nothing more you do, you can't get me from out and say you're too jealous.
What you tell like,
shut up. Make you finish.
Oh, me finish talking now.
You don't go?
Skirmish, me done talk.
You don't talk?
Yeah, me done talk.
I still let me talk to my friend.
But sit down my way.
I thought let me talk to my friend.
Turn me out up.
Tia, look for me goat in face. Ever lie to you? All these years you know me ever lie to you?
If you tell the truth, me not even know if you believe her. Because when the girl just come here, you never like her.
Me still not like him, but on the type of me not like your man either.
But you get me not beg like, so you don't feel like me.
You want to share up me not argue with
me. Me didn't even like myself sometimes.
You head not start hurt it when you start shake. Back from me and
yeah, what me I say.
Wait, let me finish talk before you say what you want to say. Obviously, I believe she. So you go work with what she say. Me not like your man either. Me ever tell a lie on him? Answer my question.
No, but you're not too late for you start.
So you believe what she say? So me not come see a man and I lie down.
Yeah, listen what me I say now.
No, me not want you what you say.
No.
So you like how you say. Me and your friend for so long, and you believe him over me?
My girl, listen what me I say.
You don't want you what you say. But remember me, you see what she act up?
Mama.
You see when them bite off your ears over here? Do not call
hello,
the phone.
come here now.
Boy, girl, I see you look for beg. I don't remember tell her something. Let me tell her something, and I appreciate the fact say.
Take
me in the whole side.
No, me no want you here say. Anyway, me come here lock back the door, cause me no want come in here. You see this man, when me come here today, I'm gonna see them right down and me call him out.
Yeah, listen what me I say. Listen what me I say, cause me man done.
Me know.
Call me already and tell me and make me hear that day.
Me not going to tell you about I come back to tell you now.
He recording with you. So you can't bribe my man. She ain't get you drinks, girl. Come on.
Bribe your man.
Come on.
Wait, me soon come up back. And me come here and come up back out of me own. Me come here. You know me ever thirsty. You no go there. You know me ever want something for drink. Wrong on me right. Wrong on me right.
Girl,
me ever come here thirsty though. So me come here and me see them. And me realize them go tell me say me chat too much, me kill him for keep and me come people here, me see and go home. So me say buy me one juice. And he said like how you beg me now, me record and me go tell me woman me say no business what you want to say. She must know who she want to believe. But as me say, she come back after years.
Don't make no girl make
right.
I want the girl man.
How long me have a man there good one. Girl, no pay shit on me.
I see your body shape like outside. I got
just a man.
Slim body.
Hello,
my friend no make them make a left a man. I beg she come like she beg. Wait till them come. Yeah, the vice what come really well want for this vice what you know. I saw she dead for thirsty. So she come make mischief and carry me name.
You know pay she no man. She good anyways.
No.
I had to go freshen up because I far me I come from where Chilani need to come from. How would that again? No, watch out, babe.
What go on? You know what say? That's something come pick up back.
I go on friend-in-law.
You wanna go?
Yeah, man.
I just want to make a fast one too, so I come pick.
How where you come from?
One girl just go tell like me a while ago. Our friend.
I can't manage a girl, man. He's saying about tell sunlight, so I can't manage him. Mom, I don't tell her it already. So I saw him stay, so.
So you go again?
Yes, me I deal with some people.
Alright, I bathroom, we ain't going alright.
So you go do? That your friend there? Did you show me a friend? Tell you who you are. Everything in there.
So I never know so that in the house.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Anyways, yeah, cook.
You know say, me can't bother with the cooking today.
Alright, me go to bathroom.
Yeah, so what you do?
I want to go on there so me hear sound like kissing or something and go on.
No, and the girl text me and I don't know where she get me number from.
Which
Some
girl?
kiss me to you, one girl.
That his teeth, they sound like kisser. Like somebody running like suck out and
Whoa.
come here, oh yeah, go so.
No, man, this is smoke. Come pick up. You don't pick up. Check his side. So she has me come with it. We go look at his side teeth. And she has smell that text and she said, "What worry about what? What problem?" Check his side teeth.
Make sure I kiss you. Me and I chat full. Hello. Aye, make sure I kiss her teeth. You hear me? I tell her.
You see your friend? Your friend plant a bad seed in your mind, you know.
Right now, alright.
And because of that, you go.
Pass me back.
No left, man. Stay. Don't no left. Are you new? Yeah, better friend than a friend there. That friend the bad mind, you. Babe, you know some love, right? Me ask you a question.
Yes, me.
I take you from down at the bottom hospital and put you in a good place and I take care of you. I love you, true? And true love conquers all.
Not true.
What is love? Me is love. So do not make nobody call up your mind, right?
Alright.
Me out the road I walk and just say alright. Right? Come here, man.
May I go here?
No go nowhere, man.
I love you now.
Yeah, we love you. We love you.
That's it.
We love you bad. We love you bad.
Oh God. Me could have been a daughter, you know.
Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life and down to the ground. Yeah, man. It's one of them days that's an exhausting day, you know what I mean? But what can I say? We continue doing the work from that time till this time, you know what I mean? So, it's nothing new. We're just trying to elevate ourselves from a place where there is no support and lack of opportunity, you know what I mean? And if you make it, you have to know what to do, because at the end of the day, you know what I mean, it's a place like this where nothing not secure, you know what I mean? Not even a bank, your money not secure, you know what I mean? So there's a lot of things to say, you know what I mean, a lot of things to do, you know what I mean? But my love carry throughout the time. You see a lot of things, but people not to understand how deep the thing go within Jamaica, where talent and everything is concerned. They are full, but you see the people them who run this country don't care about talent until you make it. And when you make it, they come and take it, or they break it, you know what I mean? So if you know listen, you know say what I'm saying is the truth, but there's a truth where we want to listen now. There is more to make if you invest in your own. And if that got you, we don't have to fly over the head, you know. There's more to make if you invest in our own. Yeah, because there's no place like home, you know. No matter what going on, you have to come back home. So invest in the youths of today and tomorrow. You know what I mean? Because it's the only way to save ourselves. You know what I mean? You know, say the trend, the trajectory for black people is back into slavery. And them they united but one next trajectory dead. So we're not at world. We need some assistance from that time to this time, but we not get it. So we only can speak the truth, and somewhere down the line, we no go say what fair they say, you know, say truth. Yeah man, because black people have done it to themselves, you know what I mean? And where that is concerned, me can't take all like credit for it, and I'm alone. But we think so we shall do more, you know what I mean? But when one somebody stand up, you know, you go. Yeah, man. So big up to all of the one who fight from that time till this time. You know what I mean? Martin Luther King, Bob Marley, Sam Cooke. The whole of the people, them Martin Luther King, you said that already? The boxer, you know him, Muhammad Ali, you know what I mean? And all of the greats, them, and I put in the work from that time to this time. Put down to the ground, man. We're up on the same trajectory of fighting for something that nobody wants to see happen. Better for the black race. Let's go.